our next little segment here is on location scouting. And normally this will happen during the casting process, possibly before the casting process, but definitely after you have all the money lined up and you're ready to shoot and you've got a pretty good idea of the schedule. Because when you're going out to talk to people about locations, you need to give them a certain date or range of dates when you're going to come invade their business or invade their home or take over their property. And I use that kind of jokingly. You've got to be very honest to people about what a film crew is all about. Because it's not just one or two people with a camera. Sometimes even a low-budget film can have 20, 40, 50 crew members and lots of cars and trucks. So you want to be honest with people. And one thing that I give to all my co-producers and all the team members that I've assembled on all my projects, I have a location form, and I'm just going to go through a few of these checklists that you want to consider before or as you're going out to location scout. You want to make sure to find out whether or not a permit is required. If it's public property or government property, usually you will require a permit. Sometimes permits are free, but you just got to go through your local film office to get that accomplished. Are there restroom facilities? Okay? If you're going to shoot someplace for 12 hours, I don't care whether it's a house, a business, a field, you got to provide some restrooms for people. Otherwise, you can have some serious problems. You know what I'm talking about. Is there plenty of parking? Another thing, you want to check the sound. So when you go out and do a location scout, you want to look up in the sky, see if there's any planes or if there's a bunch of nesting birds. Anything like that can really make shooting in that location a problem. Interior sound, if you're shooting indoors, are there refrigerators going on? Are there ice coolers? If you're in a business, are there big air conditioner handlers? Electrical. You need to do a quick electrical check. Are there plenty of outlets? If you're just running a few small lights, if it's not able to accommodate great big lights, you might want to look into a generator. Neighbors, you want to find out if the neighbors are film friendly, if they're used to having people out there. And those are some of the tips. So use this kind of form or develop your own form, and good luck scouting.